In this video, you will learn the following: what a workflow is, what to expect going into the transcription process or finding the names, and how to transcribe and find the names. Once you click on a category, it will take you to what is known as a workflow. A workflow is the name for the series of questions you will be asked about a document in order to generate the best, most accurate information possible. Once in a workflow, you can read through a tutorial by clicking the forward and back arrows on the bottom. The tutorial will automatically pop up on your first time accessing a workflow, but upon repeat accessing, you can hit the tutorial button to view a written version of the tutorial. Once you finish clicking through the tutorial, click Continue or Let's Go to begin answering questions. If transcribing, you will only have one task, which is to transcribe the document to the best of your ability. As you would normally read any document, please transcribe the text from left to right and top to bottom. Please try to transcribe all parts of the document. If you experience any difficulty while reading and transcribing the document, the following tools can still help you make the most accurate guess. Deletion. Use this tool if you notice any words that might have been erased, marked through, typed over, etc. Insertion. Use this tool if you notice any words that might have been added to the original text, either handwritten or typed. Unclear. Use this tool if the word is illegible, meaning it is difficult to read. When you use these tools, please type your best guess of the word or phrase. Then, highlight the word or phrase and click the appropriate tags for deletion, insertion, or unclear. In finding the names, you will first be asked to decide if you see any names in the document. You may quickly scan the document, and if you see even one name, you may click Yes and move to the next question. If you don't see any names, click No. If you find names, the next step will ask you to list each name and separate them with a semicolon. If the name appears to be a woman's name, or you see clues that a name belongs to a woman, put that name in brackets. Even if you don't see women's names, you may see unnamed references to women. When the workflow prompts you, if you are certain you see women, say yes. If you are certain you do not, say no. If you think there may be clues but you are not sure, answer maybe, and you will have a chance in the next step to explain what clues you think may imply the presence of women. If you want to know more about how to identify the presence of either named or unnamed women in the document, you can consult the field guide, which has information on interpreting initials, gender norms at the turn of the century, and examples of common references to women that you may encounter in the documents. You can also click the I symbol underneath the document for any additional information about a specific document, as well as a link that will let you see how the page you're working on fits into the larger document it is part of. If for any reason you accidentally exit a workflow before hitting done, you can always go back into that category, although documents are presented in random order within each category, so you may not be able to resume the same document you were last working on. Refreshing the page once inside the workflow will take you to a new, randomly selected document if you would prefer a different document. If you're unsure about where you are in the site, you can hit Transcribe Colored Conventions in the upper left, or simply re-enter the URL for the project to reload the home page.